This video is brought to you by Saraswati Vidyalaya Union. And hi, this is Prakti. Today we are going to study about the chapter 8, respiration and circulation. From that we are going to study about the blood platelets. Now let's see.
See, there's three types of the blood cells. In the three types of blood cells, we have already studied about the RBCs. Okay, the second one is there, that is known as the WBCs, that is a white blood cell. Then now today the next thing is there, so that is known as the thrombocyte. Thrombos means that is known as the blood platelets. Now today we are going to study about these blood platelets. Now what is this blood platelets? Blood platelets are there. Okay, like this is the, see this. This is the blood capillaries. Okay, in the blood capillaries, like this is the plasma. We have already studied. Okay, in the plasmas, then we have studied about the RBCs. Then the next one is there, that is known as the WBCs, which having the multilobe structure, or in that neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil. Okay, now today we are going to study about these blood platelets. These are very small in structure, like these are the blood platelets. Okay, the thing is what, these blood platelets are there, these are produced from the last cell. Okay, these blood platelets are produced from the last cell. That cells are known as the megakaryocytes. Means like a larger cell is there. From that larger cell, the small blood platelets are produced. Okay, now here in this, where these are produced? So these are produced in bone marrow. We have already studied about these blood platelets, but then also see that these blood platelets produced from the last cell, that is known as a megakaryocyte. These are produced in the bone marrow. And how is the structure? So the structure is how it is oval shape. It is small, oval shape, small, and these are without nucleus. RBCs also don't have nucleus, and these are also without nucleus. The nucleus is absent. Nucleus is absent in these blood platelets. Okay, that is known as the thrombocyte. Then in this, how many numbers are present? See that these RBCs are present in millions. WBCs are present in thousands, that is 5,000 to 11,000. Okay, now these thrombocyte, these blood platelets are there. The number of blood platelets, that is approximately 2.5 to 4.5 lakhs per cubic mm of blood. They are present in lakhs. See that whenever the patient having dengue, so that time the number of platelet decreases. Okay, it becomes 1,000, it becomes less than 1,000. So that's why these platelets are very important to fight with that disease. Okay, now these platelets are there, as we have seen here only. What happened whenever there is increase in RBCs? What happened whenever there is increase in WBCs? And what happened whenever there is reduce in RBCs and WBCs? There is here also the same concept is there. So whenever these blood platelets are there, there is a decrease in number of the blood platelets. So that time that concept, this is known as the thrombocytopenia. In the erythrocytes, we have seen erythrocytopenia, leukopenia. Okay, so here thrombocytopenia. There is decrease in this thrombocyte. Now here this thrombocyte, so what is the function of this thrombocyte? These thrombocytes are playing an important role for the clotting. For the clotting of blood. Clotting of blood means what? All of you knows that in our body that blood is present in the liquid form. So these blood get converted into the solid form. That is known as the clotting. And for that clotting purpose, these blood platelets are playing important role. Means what they are doing when, so at the point of injury, suppose here by mistake this part get cut. So here what happened? All this platelet comes and binds here. All these platelets comes and binds here. It releases some enzymes that I'll tell you afterward in the coagulation. In that the separate topic I'll explain you. Okay, there are the clotting factors are there. So here this blood platelet comes from this blood, while flowing it comes and binds here. Okay, and it forms a plug. That is that plug which is known as the platelet plug. Okay, that plug which is known as the platelet plug, or see that platelet plug, or it is known as the thrombus. There is various other reactions also takes place. Then this platelet plugs which are produces different enzymes and all, then it stops that bleeding. Okay, so here, and then it is very important for the clotting of blood, as well as the second function of these blood is there. So that this is the first function, that is for the clotting of blood. Now the second function is there. It secretes, this blood platelet secretes serotonin, and this serotonin which act as a vasoconstrictor. Vaso means what? Blood vessel. Constrictor means what? They just contract that blood vessel. So for that purpose. So this is the information related to the blood platelet. Hope so you all understood this. Like this we have seen information about the blood cells, RBCs, WBCs and platelets. Now we are going to study in detail how they are playing an important role during the coagulation in the next lecture.
Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please like and comment to my channel, that is Prapti Vanzade. Thank you.